Are you a lover of luxury? Do you like good things and you're ready to spend to get it? This is a 4-bedroom duplex located at Diamond Estate, Old GRA Enugu. And this duplex is one of the best and most affordable. Because guess what? It's going at 280 million naira for one. And if you want to get the two of them, it is just 550 million naira. So we can get that for you if you're interested. Let's start it out. So you can see how spacious the compound is. This can fit up to 3 cars with a lot of space for you and your family to have your own personal space. And here is the reception place where you can receive your visitors and they have their own personal bed and toilet. And here is the downstairs parlor. You can see how spacious it is with modernized setting, good lighting, and a lot of windows so you can ventilate. Here is the dining region, and what you and I have the dining plate in my family is that you don't have to go to your room to eat, sit around. You can train your kids, have the dinner here, have the breakfast here, lunch, whatever it is. And let's check out the kitchen doors. You know, one thing about ladies is that whenever you're getting a duplex, always check out the kitchen. Is it your liking? Can you feel at home in that kitchen? And I'm going to show you the reason why you should get a duplex if you're ready for that. Here is the kitchen, and I just like this setting because it is just okay. It is just nice. It's giving luxury. You don't have to do extra. You don't have to do unnecessary decoration. Your kitchen is just functional. And you have your wardrobe, a lot of spaces for you to store because you have to store a lot of food stuff and all. Your gas cooker is in place, the ventilator, a lot of windows so that you can ventilate well. So let me show you one thing because most people when they get the place, they don't check out everything. And I'm going to check out everything for you so you don't have to go through the stress of asking, is this really what you want? Just from this, you will know that this is the place is a must have. So here is the water system. You can see that you have up to 3 taps just for yourself, and the well is always filled with water year round. Because you know in Enugu we have the issue of some places not having water, but this Diamond Estate in particular, this duplex, it has year round water supply, and there is also the estate personal water supply which is drinkable. So you don't have to worry about water like we do in Enugu as a whole. So here is your laundry room. So instead of having your laundry in your kitchen or in your bedroom, you can have it in this location. So I'm taking you to the first bedroom down there. And you can see how spacious and well lit everywhere is. You can have your visitors stay here. You can have a relative stay here. It's very conducive. And the bedroom, of course, very, very spacious and modernized. Because I like modern settings, so I'm gonna give it the best. You also have your printer in place, and it's functional because you have to check out all these things whenever you want to get your own place. The next thing I would like to talk about is staircases. Because some people, when you go to their home, their staircases are always too narrow. But take a look at this staircase. This is very spacious, and you can pass through, like some people can pass through this staircase. How big it is. And the handle is just okay. It can give away, you don't have to worry about breaking, unlike the glass handle. So here is the upstairs parlor. See how spacious and well lit it is. You can have your television in place. The wiring is always functional. And this is your balcony for the upstairs parlor. You see how bright everywhere is. You can come out, view, talk to your neighbor if you're the type that likes to socialize. So this is a must have in your marriage. So let's pick out the master bed. So you can see the master bedroom. It's very spacious, and I love wardrobes that are very, very functional because you can't dress nice, and you can't dress nice, you can't stock up clothes if you don't have enough space in your wardrobe. So you see this spacious wardrobe just for your own personal use. You can store your shoes, your trousers, actually those are like suits, like you can't just wrap it up and keep it in one place. So this is the master bedroom. Very, very spacious. I just like space, so I emphasize on spacious places. So here in the second upstairs bedroom, you can see how well lit everywhere is. It is just giving luxury romance. Because the bedroom is still spacious. It does not take away the fact that you have to ensure that there is enough space in your bedroom. And there is a balcony, so you can come outside to get a bit of fresh air, view around. And the last but not the least is the first bedroom, because this is the first bedroom there. The room is very, very spacious, and the wardrobe is just still giving enough space for your personal use. The lighting is okay. The bedroom still spacious, like just a bit. It is still spacious. And this also has a balcony around, so you can still come outside to view, get a bit of fresh air. Because, staying inside all the time is not a thing. So you have to get a bit of fresh air from time to time. So that is all for this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex located at Diamond Estate, Old GRA. Like I said, one is going for 280 million naira. And if you want to get the two of them, it is 550 million naira. Even if you don't want to get it for your own personal use, you can get it to use it as a shoplet or maybe for other commercial purposes. And this location is just giving. You don't have to worry about water, you don't have to worry about security, because it's an estate, a gated estate to be exact. So show me if you're interested in getting something like this, because luxury is the whole. Bye for now.